how to download a YouTube playlist, official method 20. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download a full playlist on YouTube using the official method so you can watch the videos later without using mobile data. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, find the playlist that you want to download. Once you open the playlist, tap on the download button that appears below the playlist title. Now choose the video quality you want, such as low, medium, or high quality. After selecting the quality, tap Download. YouTube will now start downloading all the videos from that playlist to your device. Once the download is complete, you can watch the playlist offline anytime without internet. To access your downloaded videos, simply go to the Library tab, then tap on Downloads. And that's it. That's how you can download a YouTube playlist using the official and safe method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.